Hi, my loves. Welcome back to another vlog. It's your girl, Emla, and that's all. Period. So, I'll be cleaning my apartment today. It's been like 2 weeks ever since I deep cleaned the apartment. I usually clean every Saturday, Friday or Saturday, but I couldn't do it last week for some unknown reason. So I'm doing a lot today. Guys, I have a lot to do now, so let's just get into the video. Hi guys, it's laundry time. This is my laundry area. Guys, check it out. I'm so happy today. I am so happy today. For the very first time in my life, I am not going to wash with my hands. Woo! Guys, I'm just kidding, by the way. I was using washing machine way back in Ghana. This is not a new thing. I'm going to put the towel in, and this is not white, but then it's not too colored. The peach color is okay to go with the white dresses. I'll put the light and the white colors in first. After washing, I will then add the other color. This too hot. I don't have any gist for you guys. I wish I had, but I don't. So let's just continue with our laundry. This is the nail badge. So I'm just going to add this washing powder, like 2 full spoons. This 1 hour 20 minutes is cool. So let me start. I'm just going to close this side. These things are not supposed to be here, so I'll just send it to the bathroom. I'll keep them in the bathroom door. Towel for the bathroom. I'm using these bed sheets for the week. Let's just dress the bed. kitchen now. This is the cleaning towel for the kitchen and the multi-purpose cleaning spray for the kitchen. So I want to start with the dining area. I'm done washing. Now I'm going to rinse it. Before I rinse it, I'll add this. So just pour. Oops. The way will be fine. So I'm just going to close it. Then I will regulate this to rinse. There we go. Start. So rinse is 25 minutes. So I'll come back after 25 minutes. Guys, the machine is done rinsing with the cloth. So I'm going to spin it 12 minutes. I'll come back in the next 12 minutes. The washing machine just washed my dresses, so I'm just going to dry them here and put the rest, the second batch, in the machine. Then I'll go and continue with what I'm doing. Guys, we're in the bathroom finally. After I'll just mop and I'm done. Guys, it's so cold outside. Look at this, guys. It's 2 p.m. now, and I am done cleaning the entire house, but I forgot to clean the mirror, so I'm just going to wipe the mirror. Yeah, I took my bath after scrubbing the bathroom, so I will just clean the mirror and then I'll show you how this place looks like now. Then I will go and dump the refuse, aka bola. So I'll take you guys along, okay?
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body stays. My mind, and my body. My body stays. My mind, and my heart. My body stays.
I think I have to use this elevator. Oops. 0.
My heart, my body says, I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. What you do is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space.
This is where we dump our water. Basic content is not for the weak. Ew. So guys, this is the place.
I really wanna stay, I don't really wanna go, but I really need to know, can we get it together? Get it together, get it together.
A few minutes later.
I went to pick this from my letterbox. I'm going to open it after eating. I'm going to end the vlog here. I'm so glad that I did this vlog for you guys, and I hope you guys will like it. I'll see you in another vlog. Thank you guys so much for what you keep doing, for subscribing to my content, liking my videos, commenting. I love what you guys are doing for me. I love you so much. Please, if you haven't subscribed, I am going to come into your dream. Do you want to see me in your dream? Lashing you? Please subscribe. I'm just kidding. Please subscribe, okay? Do this for me, so I'll be bringing you content. Punch the notification bell so you'll get notified anytime I post video. I love you guys so much. Please don't forget to stay positive, eat well, do good, and always pray to God. He is capable of doing anything. Bye guys.